Experience off-road fun in the future with the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Built on the recognizable Hummer EV base, this is more than just an RV, it's a mobile fortification. Its aggressive, tough external design includes big all-terrain tires, a chassis that can be adjusted for ground clearance, and looks reminiscent of the military. This beast's almost silent but unstoppable force comes from its tri-motor electric engine, which produces over 1,000 horsepower and an incredible level of torque. This motorhome's electric propulsion is built for both environmentally responsible travel and exceptional off-road performance. You can live off the grid for longer without compromising comfort because to the huge battery pack and integrated solar panels. The Hummer Motorhome's cockpit is less like a conventional RV and more like a futuristic command center. Large, high-resolution digital displays driven by a sophisticated AI system take center stage on the dashboard. Everything is controlled by a single touchscreen, including the motorhome's living features like lighting and climate control, as well as the driving modes and off-road technology. Important details, including as range, battery life, and a live feed from the array of external cameras, are shown on the driver's display for quick access. Every trip is made pleasant and focused with premium, supportive seats and a simple design. The inside is a brilliant fusion of high-end elegance and tough durability. Whether you're working, dining, or lounging, the roomy living area's modular furniture can be rearranged to meet your requirements. The materials are a combination of high-tech composites and high-end, long-lasting textiles. A panoramic sunroof and huge windows let in plenty of natural light, which makes the camper appear much larger than it actually is. Controlling your surroundings is simple with AI-powered voice commands and smart home capabilities. The bedroom provides a peaceful and cozy haven when it's time to sleep. The focal point is a queen-sized Murphy bed that, when not in use, elegantly folds into the wall to free up additional living space throughout the day. The bed itself has fine sheets and a top-notch mattress. With the push of a button, a concealed television may be unveiled, and you can create the ideal relaxing atmosphere with adjustable ambient lighting. For an RV, the bathroom is surprisingly roomy and contemporary. It has a smart toilet with built-in bidet features and a rainfall shower with a high-pressure water system. The materials are simple to clean and made to withstand the demands of travel, and the vanity and sink area are well lit and provide enough of storage. The kitchen is an example of well-thought-out, compact design. High-end, energy-efficient appliances including a refrigerator, microwave, and induction cooktop are included. Fold-away extensions make the most of the countertop area, and the cabinetry is specially designed with ingenious storage options to safely retain all of your necessities, even while traversing uneven ground. No matter where your travels take you, you will always have access to clean drinking water thanks to an integrated water filtration system.